Welcome. In this quick and updated guide, you'll learn exactly how to delete a frame from your profile picture on LinkedIn. If you added a frame for a campaign, celebration, or event, and now want to switch back to your original photo, follow along, step by step. It's simple, fast, and can be done right inside the LinkedIn app. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make the change. Once you're on your main feed, look for your profile photo at the top left corner of the screen. Tap it, and then tap View Profile. This will take you straight to your LinkedIn profile page. Next, tap on your profile photo again. A menu will pop up with options to edit or change your picture. Select Frames. This is where you originally added a frame, and it's also where you can remove it. Now you'll see your current frame and a few other style options. To remove the frame completely, choose Original. This brings your profile picture back to its natural look, just like it was before you added any frames. Once you've selected Original, tap Apply. Your LinkedIn profile photo will instantly update without the frame, giving you a clean and professional look again. You don't need to upload a new image or make any other changes. LinkedIn automatically saves it for you. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the frame from your LinkedIn profile picture. It only takes a few seconds, but can make a big difference in how your profile appears to recruiters, clients, or connections. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video or sharing it with someone who might need a quick LinkedIn refresh. Keep exploring LinkedIn's features to make sure your profile always reflects your best, most authentic self. Thanks for watching.